Hey everyone, and welcome back to Remember This Tech. On today's video we're going to be doing a short unboxing of new old tech. Or is it old new tech? I kind of get those confused sometimes, but you get what I mean. And right here is a brand new in the box 6-pin DIN keyboard, mechanical keyboard. Let's open it up. Look at that. Look at this beauty. Oops. Says it's old new stock, but is it? Well, we'll find out. Now, let's just pull it out of here. It's in plastic. Has a keyboard tray rest. And I don't know what the hell this is for. Oh, I think I do. Yeah, I think I do. Whoa! Let's put this behind me. And look at this. An armrest, a palm rest. So I'm not showing you the box technically because it has my address on it and name. It's Ecovision. It's an Eco 7200 model. And let's pull it out of the plastic wrap so we can get a better look. Alright, here we have it. Ecovision. Let's listen to the keys. Some people love this. Some people hate the sound. They want a silent keyboard. But this is the way it was pretty much back in the day, you know, old school. What's unique about this is it is a full-size keyboard, full-size, number keys, everything. And right here, it's like a little trackball, right? But then you have left and right mouse buttons, and then you have your space bar. Okay, that is unique, right? And why did I buy this? I need a keyboard for an upcoming build that only takes the 5-pin DIN connection, the big fat kind of like barrel connector for an AT style PC, which I'm going to be doing a build. So look for that in an upcoming video. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that upcoming video. So this is kind of like a throwback tech, but it was unique in that it also has a serial connection. You're like, what's serial? What's serial? Well, back in the day, before PS2, before USB even, a lot of peripherals use a serial port on the back of your PC to connect. And one of those was a mouse. And some game controllers or game pads use this as well. But in order to make this work, this little trackball with the left and right mouse buttons, you're gonna have to have a serial port on your PC, and you have to connect this into it, as well as the DIN connector. DIN connector only makes the keyboard port work on this old unit. So it looks new, but there's a lot of yellowing on it. But you know, 30, 40 years is probably safe to say that's gonna happen to any old electronics. Now, let's look at the back. You've got like a cable run. You can go left or right to hide your cable. Or jam it in there, you know, and it will come out here. However you want to do it. And look at that. It got some keyboard risers, just in case you want to adjust your ergonomics. These are like non-slip pads here, so it doesn't slip. And they're not destroyed over 40 years of sitting in a box. So does it seem sturdy? Yeah. Is it useful? Well, it will be for me. And I don't have to buy a keyboard with somebody else's 40 years worth of crud in there that I have to clean. So what is this for? This little thing? Well, I imagine it's, maybe it goes on top of the trackball. No, it doesn't fit. So what is it for? I have no idea. I have no idea. But I know what this is for. And it will connect on to this. And hopefully it should just snap in place here. Or maybe it doesn't. It has to. Give me a second. No, it does not. It just kind of like, it just kind of sits in here. And it doesn't even connect. It doesn't even snap in. It just kind of sits there like that. So you would see it like, so you just see it like that. So if you move it, it's gonna undo and pop out of there. So there's no like snapping connection, so. Was this a good buy? Well, if it still works, it is. I haven't tested it yet, but I just wanted to show you all this quick video of this unboxing. So this cool new old stock of this unit, and that if you look around, you can still find a deal on this. And what's a new keyboard going to cost you today anyways? $30, $40, $50, depends on what you buy. A wired keyboard, probably $15, $20 for a really cheap one. But this is something I needed. And if you look around, you can still find this old stock, new old stock. So look for this in an upcoming video. Thanks for coming along with me in this short unboxing video of an old retro piece that old retro computer collectors still might want to look for and have in their collection. If they want to revive an old piece of tech, they need this. Thanks for watching. Remember this tech.